does this family of 6 full of mixed faces, reflective of mixed races, find themselves in one of the perfect places to learn things classically, conversationally in Tennessee? A homeschool education these days, it's one of the best cases.
Well, every story has to start from the beginning. Get some context on mom and dad and these 4 daughters grinning. This is the 5th time that we've been up to bat to talk about our family. We hope you're cool with that.
You have no choice.
It all began in 1983. Alexander and Janine first arrived onto the scene. One born in the islands on American Samoa, one born in LA, repping Southern California.
They met in college focusing together on their studies. Then Xander thought,
What if we became more than study buddies?
Janine was down to date the guy, and soon they were engaged. After graduation, they got married, hopped onto a plane.
Now from Nashville, Tennessee, with musical dreams. But soon all the dreams became much more than they seemed.
3 years later, twins were born.
2 years later, sister born. 3 years later, one more born.
Our family's busting at the seams.
Alexander and Janine, Cadence, Isabella, and Serene.
We're a family like you've never seen. Just you wait, just you wait.
Ava, Bella, and Serene.
The Jones sisters.
Before I get home, make sure you finish your
Work.
Daddy's gonna be home by sundown, so Daddy doesn't need to know when homework is done by sundown. We pull out the game controls.
But look around, there's dirty laundry spread all over the floor. Work.
It's bad enough mommy checks the school we've done. Math, Latin, and science. It's bad enough mommy checks the chores we've done.
Oops, forgot the dishes. Look around.
Hey sisters, remind me what I'm supposed to be doing right now.
You're supposed to finish your homework. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Oh, work.
Sometimes I wake up in the morning.
Sometimes she wakes up in the morning.
Eyes barely open with no plan.
Eyes barely open with no plan.
So I may need a cup of
She
coffee.
might just need a cup of coffee.
This homeschool thing stands a chance.
Raise a mug to mommy.
Yeah! Give her coffee every single day. Because she truly loves us. Even though we drive her insane. Raise a mug to the 4 of us.
Hey! What if there were more of us?
Telling the story of homeschool life. Telling the story of homeschool.
Let me tell you what I wish I'd known when I was young and dreamed of glory. Sometimes there's no control over homeschool kids. This is your warning.
People have a lot of opinions about homeschool, wondering if their family should do it or not. Well, let me tell you.
Homeschool is cool, it's worth exploring.
You might be wondering, what if it's too much work? What if my children lose interest? Listen, kid.
Homeschool is fun, it's never boring.
And when you've done all your school in less than 4 hours, guess what? You get free time to play outside with your toys and your friends.
When homeschool's done, it's so rewarding.
Do you like walking to the bus at 7 a.m. on a cold winter morning? Yeah, I didn't think so. What if I told you there was another way?
Homeschoolers sleep until 10 in the morning.
And when the teaching is done, but the house still needs to be vacuumed, dishes put away, and counters wiped down,
Homeschool is great for kid outsource. Never bores, all reward.
We are not throwing away our shots. We are not throwing away our shots.
Hey, yo, we're homeschooling next year and it's gonna be the best year. We are not throwing away our shots.
Before they get a scholarship scholarship to some college. Still got a lot of homeschooling first to accomplish. These kids got a lot of brains still being polished. They about to holler what they just learned, some vocab words to drop knowledge. We got diamonds in the rough, shiny pieces of coal, trying to reach their goals. Homeschool makes it possible. We're responsible to raise them in the way they should go. And if you didn't know, folks, well, now you know.
Alexander and Janine, Kate and Isabella and Serene.
So pristine, just so fresh and so clean. We'll take you home to school if you know what I mean.
We are not throwing away our shot. We are not throwing away our shot. Hey yo, we're homeschooling next year and it's gonna be the best. So we are not throwing away our shot. We are not throwing away our shot. We are not throwing away our shot.
We are not throwing away our pots.
We are not throwing away our tots.
We are not throwing away our knots.
We are not throwing away our squats. We are not throwing away our I forgot.
Not